guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I will be cooking ubi biko recipe. First, we are going to cook our glutinous rice in the same way we cook our regular rice. So here I have 4 cups of glutinous rice and added 4.5 cups of water. Cover the rice pot and bring it to a boil. Adjust the heat to low after. You will also need to stir it from time to time to prevent the glutinous rice from sticking to the bottom of the pot. For the ubi coconut mixture, in a large pan, pour in 2 cans of coconut milk and bring it to a boil. Add in 2 cups of brown sugar, stirring continuously. Add a pinch of salt, 1 to 2 teaspoons of ubi flavoring, and then stir well. I added a teaspoon of lemon extract and also 2 slices of lemon. Keep on stirring until the coconut mixture is in medium thickness. Now remove the sliced lemon. Now we are going to combine the ubi coconut mixture and the glutinous rice and mix it well. In another pan, we are going to roast and sweeten desiccated coconut for our topping. We are going to transfer our cooked ubi biko to the prepared pan and flatten it. Now we are going to garnish our ubi biko with roasted desiccated coconut. You can also add some extra ubi coconut mixture on top of it. There you have it, guys, my ubi biko recipe. You can serve it with your favorite green tea or hot coffee. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you all have a great weekend and I'll see you again in my next vlog.